Welcome student, this is second video of chapter 2 factors and multiples. In first video I told you the introduction of chapter. Now we will start the exercise 2a. Most of the questions in exercise are the definitions which we have done in the video 1. The first question is define factors and multiples, give 5 example of each. This we have done. Next is write down the factors of these. इनके फैक्टर्स हमें फाइंड आउट करने हैं. फैक्टर्स मीन्स कौन कौन से नंबर इसे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. एंड देयर आर लिमिटेड नंबर, फिक्स नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स ऑफ एनी नंबर. किसी भी नंबर के जो फैक्टर्स हैं वो फिक्स्ड होते हैं, कम या ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकते. सो राइट डाउन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राइट डाउन ऑल द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 20. सो 1 is a factor of each and every number 20. Then 2, we can divide 20 with 2. 2 into 10, 20, and we divide 20 with 2. 10 is the quotient, so we write in 10 here. And 4, 3, we can't divide 3 with 20 because we divide 20 with 3, there is remainder. So 3 is not a factor of 20. We have to take only those number whose remainder is 0. And 4, 5, 20. So factors of 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. All the factors you have to write down. If you left any one factors, then 0. Question will be wrong. Then third question, write the first 5 multiples. Then third question, write the first 5 multiples of 17. Multiples can be infinite. Then 17, you have to write down first 5. So 17 into 1, 17, 17 into 2, 34. Multiples means the answer we get by multiplying a number. So multiples are, these are the multiples. Means table of 17 till 5. Then fourth question, we'll look to the fourth question. Which of the following numbers are even and odd? You have to do this yourself. Fifth, what are prime numbers? Definitions. Write all the prime numbers between these. Two numbers are given. We have to write down the prime numbers between these two. Prime numbers, a number which has only 2 factors is called prime number. 1 is not a prime number because 1 has only 1 factor. So question number 6. Write all the prime numbers between 10 and 40. 11, after 10, 11 is a prime number. Then 12, not prime number. Divided by 2, 4, 3. Then 13, 17, 19, 30 till 37. These are the all prime number between 10 and 11. If you skip any one number, then your answer is incorrect. You get 0. So you have to write all the prime numbers between 10 and 40. Rest part do yourself. Then seventh question, write the smallest prime number, that is 2. All even prime number, only 2 is the even prime number. At the smallest odd prime numbers, 3. Eighth question, which of the following numbers are prime? You have to circle the number prime number, do it yourself. Ninth, make a list of 7 consecutive numbers, none of which is prime. Consecutive continuous number. Ninth question, it's a composite number. These are the fixed number. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. 7 consecutive number. In between there is not a prime number. इनके बीच में कहीं भी प्राइम नंबर नहीं आता. अदरवाइज 2 और 3 नंबर के बाद प्राइम नंबर आ ही जाता है. Then 10th question, is there any counting number having no factor at all? No. Find all the numbers having exactly 1 factors. Only 1. What is the answer? Find the number between 1 and 100 having exactly 3 factors. Try to solve this yourself. Then 11th question, what are composite number? Definition you have written. Can a composite number be odd? Odd. Yes, composite number can be odd. 9, 15th. If yes, write the smallest composite number. 9. Do it yourself. Twin prime definition I told you. Co-prime numbers told you. Then 14th question, express each of the following number as a sum of 2 odd prime. Number given है, हमें इसे break करना है 2 numbers में कि उन दोनों का सम ये आए 36 आए, और वो दोनों नंबर्स क्या होने चाहिए? ऑड प्राइम. इवन प्राइम नहीं ले सकते, इट मीन्स 2 नहीं ले सकते. ऑड प्राइम 36. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज 36. सो ब्रेक इट 2 numbers such that their sum is 36 and two numbers must be your prime number. So first we take 17 plus 19. If we add these two, both are prime number, and we add, we get 36. And 23 and 13, prime number, and so many answers you can get. Answer is 17 and 19. This is the answer. Rest part to yourself. 15th question, express each of the following number as a sum of 3 odd prime numbers. Now we have to take 3 numbers, 3 odd prime numbers like this. Now you have to take 3 numbers, 31, 31, 3 numbers, 31 in 3 numbers. So answer is 5 plus 7 plus 19. If we add these 3, we get 31, and these 3 numbers are prime numbers. Other example, 3, 11 and 17. Sum of these is 31, and these 3 are prime numbers. So answer is 3, 11, 17. Like this you have to write down answer in commas. Okay, question number 15 is completed. Next 16th question, express each number as a sum of twin prime. Twin prime are the numbers whose difference is 2. Whose difference is 2. So we take example of 120. So 59 plus 61. Both are prime numbers and their difference is 61 minus 59 is 2. Sum is 120. So 120. Answer in case of twin prime is fixed. Not other answer can come. 59 and 61 is the answer. Okay, now your exercise is completed. This is your homework. Question number 2, second and third part, third, second and third part, sixth, second and fourth part. Question number 12, 14, 15, third and fourth, 16, third and fourth part. Now have a look to the exercise. This is your exercise. That's all for this video. Stay home, stay healthy.